Don't forget me ever. ما هیڅ کله مه هېروه. Don't forget me ever. Tell me your name. خپل نوم راته ووایه. Tell me your name. Help me please. مهرباني وکړه زما مدد وکړه. Help me please. My name is Ali. زما نوم علی دی. My name is Ali. My father is a teacher. زما پلار استاز دی. My father is a teacher. My mother is kind. زما مور مهربانه ده. My mother is kind. My brother is smart. زما ورور خوخیار دی. My brother is smart. My sister is beautiful. زما خور ښکلې ده. My sister is beautiful. My friend is honest. زما ملګری ایماندار دی. My friend is honest. My house is big. زما کور غټ دی. My house is big. My car is new. زما موټر نوی دی. My car is new. My school is near. زما مکتب نزدې دی. مکتب یعنی سکول. My school is near. My bag is heavy. زما بسته درنه ده. My bag is heavy. My book is on the table. زما کتاب په میز پروت دی. My book is on the table. My phone is lost. زما فون ورک شوی دی. My phone is lost. My clothes are clean. زما جامې پاکی دي. My clothes are clean. My hands are dirty. زما لاسونه سخا دي. My hands are dirty. My heart is pure. زما زړه صفا دی. My heart is pure. My dream is big. زما ارمان غټ دی. My dream is big. My teacher is nice. زما استاز ښه دی. My teacher is nice. My work is done. زما کار ختم شو. My work is done. My friend called me. زما ملګری ما ته فون وکړو. My friend called me. This book is mine. دا کتاب زما دی. This book is mine. That pen is mine. دا قلم زما دی. That pen is mine. The bag is mine. بسته زما ده. The bag is mine. The phone is mine. phone زما دی. The phone is mine. The car is mine. موټر زما دی. The car is mine. The house is mine. کور زما دی. The house is mine. That seat is mine. دغه سیټ زما دی. That seat is mine. These shoes are mine. دا پیزار زما دی. These shoes are mine. The idea was mine. خیال زما و. The idea was mine. The mistake was mine. غلطی زما و. The mistake was mine. The choice is mine. انتخاب زما دی. The choice is mine. The win is mine. ګټه زما ده. The win is mine. ګټه یعنی جیت. The turn is mine. نمبر زما دی. The turn is mine. The loss is mine. نقصان زما دی. The loss is mine. The problem is mine. مسئله زما ده. The problem is mine. The book was mine. کتاب زما و. The book was mine. د دې سينورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره دا چینل PE1 سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.